Hello Bearcats, it's Angela again and I'm back with you today to walk you through how to select your room. So we're going to start at your MySam and then from there you're going to click on Bearcat Life and then we're going to look for the housing card and under there select Housing Portal. Pro tip, go ahead and bookmark this page once it comes up because you're going to be using it quite a bit during your time here while you're living on campus. So once you are in the housing portal, you're going to click on My Room. And right here you'll see where your room selection time slot is for the academic year. And so mine is today. I'm going to next select room selection / swap. And then under term selector, you're going to choose for the academic year and select continue. And then I'm just going to click on save and continue so we can go through the process. Here under room selection, you will see a video of how to select your room. Once you watch that, you can click on save and continue. So here on the next page is the initial selection page. You'll see all the housing options available to you. First year students can choose from any residence hall. Just remember that apartments are available to upperclassmen only. And also if you don't see a particular building available, then it's either full or just not available. Okay, so I am going to select Lone Star Hall. On the room list, you'll see all of the options that are available in that particular building. It'll show you how many spaces are available in each room. And so since I know that I already have a roommate, I'm part of a roommate pair, I'm going to need to look for a room that has 2 available spaces. So I just kind of have to scroll through. Aha, here is one. So Lone Star Hall, room 338, has 2 available spaces. If you click on showroom information, it's going to bring up a floor plan of that floor, and so I can see exactly where room 338 is located, and it is right here highlighted for me. So I like that. It's kind of in the middle of the hall, not too far from the stairs, not too far from the elevator, so I'm good with that. And it has 2 open rooms, so I'm gonna go back and I'm going to select add reservation. So at the top of the page, you'll notice my 10-minute timer has started. If for some reason I want to go and look at other options, I can scroll over here on the left side of the screen, pick a different hall and look at other options while keeping this Lone Star 338 reservation during this time period. But since I wanted Lone Star and it has 2 available spaces, I'm good with that. I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue. Now it is time for me to select my bed. As you can see, it has my roommate Natalie down, and I'm going to click on this drop down under my name and I'm going to select bed A. I can also assign the bed for my roommate, so she would like that. One less thing for her to do. I'm going to assign her to B and click on assign beds from there. So next is the confirmation page, and on this page I see the room that I selected, the hall, and the academic year rate as well. So all that looks good. We're going to save and continue. On the application status page, this is just a summary of everything we just walked through. And it shows who my roommate is at the bottom, and then also that no one has selected the room on the other side that we're going to share the suite with. So it gives us all that information, which is really cool. I'll click on save and continue. And that's it. The reservation is complete. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to Residence Life. We're more than happy to help. Have a great day. Eat 'em up, cats.